long, but this is I was thinking about folding it under and like double fold it. So first things first, I'm gonna cut the sleeves off. I'm gonna be very careful. Okay, this is from the first sleeve. This is how it looks. I left some on because I think I wanna like tuck it under so you can't really tell that I cut some. I don't have a way to like hold the camera, but I cut alongside this the inner sleeve. I cut along. As you can see, I cut along the line so it can open up, and then I get to here. I go around that way, all the way around, and then I end up with something like. So now I'm done cutting the sleeves off. So now I gotta sew the remaining part like under. Okay, I'm done with sewing the sleeves. But I had folded the train up and sewed it on both sides. I measured it where I want it to be, and I'll put it right here, and I'm gonna sew it, and I'll be back. Okay, so I just gotta do this, like pin it going all the way around, and I got my heels on or whatever. But this is basically the finished product. I just gotta fix this side so it looks so bunched up. But this is the finished look. For real.